Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to track Acuity Scheduling from, and this is an iframe from. If I click on view frame source, you can see this is a Acuity Scheduling from, and it is embedded with our website. So basically we need to do two things. I have two code. This code for Acuity backend, and this is for GTM container. I have write the process. You should follow this instruction. So basically we need to copy this code. First one, copy this code and paste on your Acuity backend. Click on integration and choose custom conversion tracking. Click on edit and paste the code. And now we need to copy the second code, this code. Copy this and paste this on your GTM container. And trigger will be all pages. Name this anything. Okay. Now we need to check our custom HTML it's working or not. So we need to preview our container, and this is our website URL. Paste this here. Now quickly fill up this form. Okay, so I need to confirm this button. Okay, if I click on preview, you can see a new event called Acuity Insider. I hope you understand how you can track this Acuity from. So let's send this data to our GA4 and Google Ads. We need to create a trigger first, and it will be custom trigger. Event name is Insider, Acuity Insider. Paste this, write Acuity trigger. You can write anything here. Okay, now create a new tag, GA4. Sorry, what is my container ID? I need to check this one. So go to new, create a new tag, Google Analytics, event, measurement ID. Name this event generate lead, or you can type anything. Let's try with the custom event, Acuity event. No need any parameter, only event name will be sufficient. So trigger will be custom event, this one Acuity trigger. Name this GA4 Acuity tracking. Acuity. Okay, now we need to set up Google Ads. We need 3 triggers for Google Ads. First one is conversion linker. Trigger will be all pages. Second one, Google tag. Google tag trigger will be all pages again. And third one is the main event, the conversion tracking event. So click on new, Google Ads, conversion tracking, conversion ID, this one, level, you can see here conversion level, copy this, paste here. This is not a e-commerce site, so we don't need value, currency or transaction ID. Just choose the trigger, Acuity trigger, and name this Google Ads Acuity from. That's it. Our GA4 and Google Ads conversion tracking is done. If you want to enhance conversion, you need to create another tag. Let me show you how you can do this. Click on variable. You can see there is a only email available here. For enhance, you just need email or phone number. We have only email, so try enhance conversion with just the email variable. Okay, just click on new data layer variable and click on and copy this key, I mean email. That's it. Name this Acuity email. That's it. And we need to create another tag, new Google tags, this one, Google Ads user provided data event. Click on here, choose conversion ID, this one again. Remember, conversion ID is always same. So paste here and choose our and we need to choose our email. Just click on here and choose new variable, and here it is. We have just only email, so select email. If you have phone number, you can choose phone, first name, last name, and remember these two is mandatory. You have only email, you can try with email. If you have these two value, you must send this data to Google Ads. If you have all this data, this is much better for enhanced conversion tracking. Okay. Okay. Trigger will be this one, Acuity trigger. So you can see our tracking is done. Let's preview for real-time checking. You can see here a new event called Acuity Insider, this one, and you can see our all tag is fire, GA4, Google Ads, and Google Ads user provided data event. It's mean enhanced conversion tracking. If I click here, you can see our Acuity event work perfectly, and if I click on here, you can also see our Acuity from is work perfectly. Everything is work smoothly. I hope you understand how you can track Acuity from for Google and GA4. Thanks for watching the video.